Hi there, I'm Tempestware. This is a quick video about how to install Binge onto Fire Stick TV. So we've got to download this app first from the Amazon App Store. We've got to download a downloader app because we're going to use that to download the Binge APK file from the internet. Alright, so it's downloaded, we can open that. We're going to have to allow this stuff. Just click OK and all that stuff. Okay, URL, or just a code. We're going to want to enter this code, 160416, and then, okay. So this takes us to an APK mirror website. It's just like instant downloading of the Binge APK. It's going to download version 1.1.10 of Binge TV. If it's changed by now, if it's updated since then that code I just entered won't work. And okay, so in order to enable downloading external apps, we gotta go to the About section here and then click on Fire Stick TV, I think 5 times. There we go. And then if you go back, then we'll have developer options. And then we can choose to turn on install unknown apps. Let me just go back. Alright, install. Alright, so you have to click down and then click right, because at first the buttons won't be highlighted. Alright, installing, and then we can click open. And there we go, we've got Binge. And then if we go back to the home, we go to our apps there we go, they've got Binge. And we can open that again. And if we come back here, pressing the 3 dash keys, there we go. Move to front, and we can add that as one of our shortcut apps. Isn't that cool? Right, and so just in case the version of Binge has updated since now, I found the APK, the installation file, by going to just searching up Android TV Binge. Scrolling down, go to apkmirror.com. Then I scroll down. Directly under all versions, there's going to be this whole table of versions, and the latest version is going to be at the top. I clicked on the first one, then clicked on this one that says, got highlighted APK and no DPI. I don't know if that's necessary, but I just clicked on the one that said APK. Clicked on the download icon, and then I clicked on the download APK button. Didn't download the file because I don't need it on the phone. I copied the URL, and then I went to this website, go.aftvnews.com. Scroll down. There you go. You got this text box where I pasted in the URL, clicked on the captcha, clicked shorten, and then that's how I got a code to download the thing onto the TV.